Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very
Good
good
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Fine,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, did you all practice for Q card in the weekend?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
Yes,
किस
ma'am.
Good
किसने
morning,
प्रैक्टिस
ma'am.
करी क्यू कार्ड
Yes, ma'am. की थी
की थी? कौन सा क्यू कार्ड प्रैक्टिस करा बताओ? क्या टॉपिक था क्यू कार्ड का?
और टॉपिक था मैम वन ड्रेस कोड के ऊपर था मैम एक।
ड्रेस कोड।
हाँ
ओके,
उससे
एक ही क्यू कार्ड प्रैक्टिस करा। व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स?
Place, ma'am.
प्लेस,
Historical place. Yes.
हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस, तो प्लेस बेस्ड क्यू कार्ड। ओके,
Yeah,
व्हाट
that's
अबाउट
right.
अदर्स? यस, कौन
मैं
कौन
मैंने
सी
भी
क्यू
की
कार्ड?
थी।
बताओ कौन सा टॉपिक था नम?
What's your favorite book? Why do you like most?
Okay, it's about book. Great. Or yes, what about others?
मैम मैंने भी किया था। What is your favorite hobby?
Okay, hobby. So what is होगा या describe your favorite hobby?
Describe your favorite hobby, ma'am.
Very good morning, Ashita. So yes, remember this. आज कोई भी I don't know ऐसी चीजें नहीं बोलेगा, ठीक है? आज के सेशन का गोल है दैट यू ऑल विल स्पीक स्मूथली फॉर अ कंप्लीट 2 minutes विदाउट एनी लॉन्ग पॉज। आप सब, I will give you each one of you chance to speak here. Nobody will be taking long pauses. ये वाले fillers नहीं होने चाहिए. Please try to use the strategy, the PPEF strategy with ease. It's not difficult. ठीक है? So that you all will be able to develop and extend your ideas instantly. You do not even need that 1 minute अगर आप इस structure को follow करते हो. So by the end of this session, you will be able to speak with confidence. Even if you use the basic English, but you will have that confidence to speak. Okay? So आज का गोल क्या है? That we will focus on fluency. बिल्कुल भी पॉजेस नहीं लेंगे, ये सब नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि इससे आपका बैंड स्कोर डिक्रीज होता है। क्लियर? सो गुड टू गो एवरीवन? यस प्लीज।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बिफोर स्टार्टिंग
Yes,
किसी को
ma'am.
कोई डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो।
Ma'am, I have one doubt
यस ज्योति।
in listening. Ma'am, I did practice yesterday one listening test. In that listening, one word and or a number. So in the conversation, they told me like 50 minutes. तो जब मैंने 50 minutes लिखा तो ये तो ठीक है ना मैम, अगर एक वर्ड है
आपने
और एक
50
नंबर
मिनट्स
है।
कैसे लिखा? 5050?
यस मैम,
और
5050 और
मिनट्स का आपने
मिनट।
स्पेलिंग लिखा, तो दैट इज करेक्ट।
यस
वन वर्ड लिखा, वन नंबर लिखा।
तो
अगर
ये
आप
रॉन्ग तो नहीं है ना मैम?
नो, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा। जब वन वर्ड बोला है, वन नंबर बोला है, देन यू कैन राइट दिस। ओके?
ओके।
अगर आप 50 की स्पेलिंग लिखते हो FIFTY,
तो अगर
तो वो
हाँ
रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो टू
तो
वर्ड्स में काउंट हो।
बट मैम जब मैंने उसके आंसर्स चेक किए ना तो सिर्फ उसमें 50 लिखा था, दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट
तो फिर आप
आस्क्ड।
क्वेश्चन में चेक करना, क्वेश्चन में क्या ऑलरेडी मिनट्स गिवन है, तो फिर आपको मिनट्स नहीं लिखने, फिर आपको सिर्फ 50 लिखना है।
ओके मैम, चेक कर
अगर
लूंगी।
आंसर में सिर्फ 5050 शो हो रहा है,
हम्म।
तो दैट मीन्स कि आपके क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी मिनट्स लिखा होगा। वो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो, किसी भी फॉर्म में हो, तो उसमें या तो मिनट्स ऑलरेडी गिवन होगा, तो आपको रिपीट करके दोबारा नहीं लिखना। ओके?
ओके मैम, ओके
यस।
ठीक
यस। गुड मॉर्निंग मनोज, गुड मॉर्निंग मोनिका कश्यप, गुड मॉर्निंग टोनी,
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग रुखसाना। आई कैन सी सम न्यू फेसेस हियर। वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। I want you all to please speak today, not to be on the mute, and you have to take your chance yourself. You have to raise your hand when you are ready to speak. Okay? I'll be writing down the names so that I know who all are initiating and they are participating also when it comes to speaking. Because speaking only comes with practice. If you practice every day, only then you will be able to improve your score. Otherwise, नहीं होगा. सिर्फ सुनने से नहीं होगा. This is not listening कि आप अपनी listening की skills यहाँ पे improve कर रहे हो. This is speaking. जैसे हर module, the more you read, your reading ability will increase. The more you write, your writing skills will improve. The more you listen to different accents, you will be able to understand, you will be able to comprehend. So same goes for speaking.
Good
The more
morning,
you
ma'am.
speak, the more you analyze everything, the more you self-evaluate, आपकी speaking skills improve होती है. Very good morning, Monica. So yes, let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Iqra. I'm very well. How about you?
I am good, ma'am.
So today we will cover some place and person based cue card. ठीक है? Structure हमारा same रहेगा. First we will talk about some past. 30 seconds. At least divide करो इसे. कि 30 seconds I will talk. और अगर आपको लगता है that you have less ideas for past, then just divide this in your way. आपको जितना लगता है, like you can talk about 20 seconds past. आप story ज्यादा बता सकते हो, personal story, example में ज्यादा add कर सकते हो, you can stretch it. प्रेजेंट के बारे में ज्यादा बता सकते हो, आप वो भी कर सकते हो, बट टॉक अबाउट ऑल द फोर थिंग इफ यू रियली वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर बैंड स्कोर. अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही चीज डिस्कस करोगे, हमेशा उसमें रेपिटेशन आएगा एंड यू विल नॉट एबल टू एक्सपैंड योर आइडियाज. अगर आपको यहाँ पर आइडियाज एक्सपैंड करने हैं, डेवलप करने हैं, तो प्लीज टॉक अबाउट ऑल द फोर. क्लियर? ये आपका सुपर पावर है. ये बहुत ही बैंड बूस्टर टेक्निक है. अगर आप ये अप्लाई करने वाले हो अपने स्पीकिंग एग्जाम में, ऑल द फोर इन फोर एस्पेक्ट्स के थ्रू अगर आप स्पीकिंग करते हो, आई कैन बेट यू 100%, 200%. बीइंग एन इवैल्यूएटर, आई नो दैट वी वांट अ स्टूडेंट टू स्पीक दिस मच, राइट? सो पास्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे, प्रेजेंट अब क्या सिचुएशन है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, एग्जाम्पल, योर पर्सनल स्टोरी, एंड देन अ फ्यूचर प्लान. चाहे वो पर्सन से रिलेटेड हो, प्लेस से रिलेटेड हो, यू कैन एक्सपैंड योर आइडियाज. सो माय फर्स्ट क्यू का टॉपिक इज अबाउट अ पर्सन. पहले हम आइडिया जनरेशन करेंगे. डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु इंस्पायर्स यू. Yes. Who can help me with ideas? कौन कौन से और कैसे लोग हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं? Yes. Anyone?
Parent,
Entrepreneurs, mom.
Sorry? Yes.
Teachers.
About the
Parent.
entrepreneurs, possible.
Yes,
Parents, teachers,
yes, it can be your
friends,
parents, it can be your teachers, it can be your friends also,
cousins,
cousins, yes. Or
Grandfather,
Sister.
parents,
sister,
grandparents, family members, right?
sister,
आपने
famous
एक
Yes.
बोला family members. Apart from family members, somebody who inspire you.
famous person.
teacher,
It can be the
Celebrity,
famous
sport
person.
person,
Yes, Manpreet, sportsman also.
Mhm.
And
celebrity,
try to
Celebrity.
expand
Many
your ideas.
celebrities.
Yes, celebs also.
Mhm.
Celebrities.
Yes, celebrities.
Influencers.
Yes, influencers.
singers,
Writers.
Mm-hmm.
A good writer.
Yes. So सबसे पहले ये सोचना जरूरी है कि आपको इंस्पायर कौन करता है. जब आप, yes, singers also, so celebrities, singers, you can talk about teachers, your parents, family members, friends, famous personalities के बाद, अब वो famous personalities कोई भी हो सकती है. You can talk about politicians, any celebrities, Bollywood celebrities, singers के बारे में बात कर सकते हो, cricket, sports person के बारे में बात कर सकते हो. और जब आप ये डिसाइड कर लेते हो, लाइक सपोज इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर टीचर, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, अगर आपने विराट कोहली के बारे में बात करें, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट कब, कैसे, क्यों, क्यों इंस्पायर करता,
लाया
कैसे
हमें
इंस्पायर करता. प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ इन बिटवीन, डू नॉट टॉक. यस, आइडियाज प्लीज. I want to see how you can expand your ideas. Let's pick one topic and discuss. बताओ कौन से टॉपिक पे डिस्कस करें जिसमें आपको लगता है ना कि आपके पास आइडियाज बहुत कम होंगे. सबसे पहले वो टॉपिक पिक करो.
Friend.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
टेक्नोलॉजी.
From
टेक्नोलॉजी आपको इंस्पायर करती है?
Friends.
यस.
like something like from my past who really inspired me like that.
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पर्सन. ऐसा पर्सन बताओ जिसके बारे में आपको लगता है कि आपके पास आइडियाज कम है.
मैम क्या हम इसमें किसी पर्सनैलिटी को भी डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं ना?
व्हाट पर्सनालिटी अनम?
मैन जैसे पोइट हो गया, राइटर, एज अ टीचर, किसी का स्पेशल पर्सन का नाम लेकर ऐसे.
हाँ, तो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग ना. हम पर्सन की तो बात कर, वो राइटर हो, पोएट हो, कोई भी हो.
मैम थैंक यू मैम.
यस. बताओ एक पर्सन बताओ मुझे जिसके बारे में हम आइडिया एक्सपेंशन कर सकते हैं. किसके
Elon
बारे
Musk.
में? यस जॉनसन.
Elon Musk, entrepreneur.
प्लीज write it in the chat box. Yes, please. Let's see the majority. Then we will discuss. Kushal said
हाले
friends
तो खाना नहीं
because
खाता.
it's easy to speak.
हाले तो खाना नहीं खाता. हाले नहीं खाना ना खाते थे दोपहर में.
Please mute yourself. देखो टीचर्स फ्रेंड्स यू कैन स्पीक इजीली, बट अगर आप जैसे अभी किसी ने लिखा है, देयर आर टू पर्सन, सलमान ने लिखा है, जॉनसन ने लिखा है एंटरप्रेन्योर एलन के बारे में, राइट. सिंगर्स, यस सिंगर्स के बारे में भी कर सकते हो बिकॉज सिंगर्स दे एक्चुअली इंस्पायर अस विद द म्यूजिक, विद द लिरिक्स, राइट. सो विशाली, यस यू कैन टॉक अबाउट एपीजे ऑल्सो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आपके पास आइडियाज होने चाहिए टू टॉक अबाउट इट. अब अगर हम एलन की बात करें, यू शुड नो अबाउट इट. ये चीज याद रखो, अगर आप कोई भी ऐसा टॉपिक पिक करते हो एग्जाम में, आपको उसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. अब जैसे एलन है, एलन के बारे में क्या पास्ट बैकग्राउंड आपको पता है, क्या बोल सकते हो? यस, आई वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू, जिन्होंने पिक करा है ये.
Ma'am, like Ellen's growth, initially started PayPal, then he moved to starting another company, so on.
Yes.
He's in different domain altogether at the same time.
He was born in South Africa and he was not from a very rich background, right? And from his
He has
like since
faced
his
many
young
time
age,
failures.
yes, since his young age, he was always interested in technology. और क्या बोल सकते हो? पास्ट बताओगे, पास्ट के बाद प्रेजेंट में क्या बताओगे? प्रेजेंट के बारे में आपको क्या पता है एलन के बारे में? यस प्लीज सलमान, आई वांट टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू.
मैम मैं इंग्लिश में तो नहीं बोल सकता, बट हिंदी में बता सकता हूँ एलन के बारे में. जैसे
बताओ.
प्रेजेंट टाइम में वो एक अमेरिकन पार्टी नाम का न्यू पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अमेरिका में बनाया है. जैसे बहुत कुछ है उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए.
तो वो बहुत कुछ ही तो बताना है ना आपको, अगर बहुत कुछ है तो.
अभी तो बताया तो मैम, अभी एगो नया पार्टी बनाया है, लाइक
आपने
उस
एक ही
पार्टी
बात
का नाम
बताई
है
कि उसने नया पार्टी बनाया, और कुछ नहीं बताया.
और क्या बोलते हैं, अभी क्या बोलते हैं, वो एक रॉकेट से मतलब स्पेस रिकॉर्ड बीट किया 143 सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करके. और वर्ल्ड हेवीएस्ट सैटेलाइट उसी के पास है, फैल्कन 9 नाम है. और क्या बोलते हैं, लाइक नाम, जस्ट अ सेकंड मैम.
आप क्यों इंस्पायर होते हो उससे?
मैम मेरे इंस्पायर होने का सबसे बड़ा रीजन है वो फेलियर था, उसके बाद भी वो क्या बोलते हैं ग्रो किया. he came back again and because
एग्जैक्टली.
एक फेलियर होने के बाद इंसान टूट जाता है, बट वो अपने फेलियर को नहीं देखा. वो फेलियर के बाद भी जब वो उसकी पूरी प्रॉपर्टी दाव पे लगी थी, तब वो एक रीयूजेबल रॉकेट
But
बनाने का सोचा
Salman,
था।
you have to try speaking in English. You cannot have it in Hindi.
आई नो मैम, आई नो, इसलिए तो
हाँ.
मैं नहीं बोल पाया ना मैम,
No, but
इसीलिए
you
तो
have
मैं
to
बोला कि
try.
मैं
You cannot say कि मैं नहीं बोलता. बोलना तो है, ट्राई तो करना है ना.
यस
आइल्स का एग्जाम
यस
तो
मैम,
इंग्लिश में देना है, हिंदी में तो नहीं देना. तो
दैट
एटलीस्ट
इज
हम
माय
जो
मिस्टेक
ट्राई
मैम,
करें, एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो करें ना. वी कैन नॉट
दैट
से
इज
कि
माय
मुझे
मिस्टेक मैम।
आता नहीं है या मुझे बोलना नहीं आता, ऐसे तो नहीं बोल सकते.
नहीं मैम, आप
राइट.
सही बोलती
सो
हैं,
इफ वी टॉक
दैट इज माय
अबाउट
मिस्टेक।
एलन के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे, सो वी विल टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट उसके पास्ट बैकग्राउंड के बारे में. पास्ट में क्या था, दैट ही फेस स्ट्रगल, ही फेस फेलियर्स इन हिज अर्ली करियर लाइफ. अभी प्रेजेंट क्या है, ही इज द सीईओ ऑफ कंपनीज लाइक टेस्ला, स्पेसएक्स. राइट. फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी पे भी
Starlink
वो
also,
बहुत काम कर रहा है. ही इज एक्चुअली नोन फॉर हिज हार्ड वर्किंग, हिज बिग विजन पार्ट.
yes ma'am.
He's continue working even when the rockets failed. Multiple times they have failed, but he continued working. He did not give up. And he finally succeeded with his space launches.
Yes ma'am.
He even
Like the
invested his
reusable
own
rocket.
monies. He invested a lot of money in his companies. जब आप पास बताते हो, फ्यूचर भी बताओगे. यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट कनेक्शन, दैट आई वांट टू डेवलप अ स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट लाइक हिम. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू लर्न टू टेक रिस्क एंड थिंक बिग लाइक हिम. I also want to try something achieving something meaningful in my life in the future. Right? Idea वो choose करो हमेशा जिसके लिए you believe that you have lot of ideas to speak about it, जहां पे आप अपने ideas को expand कर सकते हो. ठीक है. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे पास कोई आइडिया नहीं है इस पे बात करने के लिए, प्लीज डू नॉट ट्राई इट इन द एग्जाम. Clear? Yes, everyone.
Okay ma'am. Okay
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
sorry ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who wants to speak? I want to see who wants to speak. Any of your choice, it's up to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
Can I try, ma'am?
Yes, Anam.
A person who inspired me. Her.
Anam, we cannot hear you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anam. एक line के बाद we are not able to hear you. Yes, please.
A person who inspired me
Inspired me के बाद कहाँ गायब हो गए आप?
in the past.
Hmm.
Malala faced serious challenges for the women.
Anam, your network is not fine. We are not able to hear you. Till then, you can type in the chat box, please. Yes, next one who wants to speak. Anam, please write your answer in the chat box. I will listen to
ma'am.
you afterwards. Yes. Next, who wants to speak? Quick.
Ma'am, I speak, ma'am.
Okay, Kushal, yes.
Yeah. Last year, when I was in college, I inspired one person. He was a greatest person in the world. Also, his name is Elon Musk. I know him from my 10th standard onwards. He was very inspired me from that stage itself. Also, I know that he is a tech savvy. He always invented using technology, and also he became one of the richest person in the world. Right now, he is continue with his CEO position in SpaceX. Also, he tried many times in his life to launch a satellite in the space. Not only that, he find many new things using updating versions of the cable network. Previously, we used the waterline cable, but he invented the Starlink. It is one of the most powerful technology we can use anywhere in the remote areas. Not only that village and metropolitan cities, but we can use hill station, mountains. It's connect directly through the satellite. Also, he make a one of the PayPal payment. Right now, currently, whole world using that payment link without any technical issues.
Hmm.
Also, he worked very hard before launching the satellite. He got a chance to even he participated in the Republican politicians in USA right now with Trump. For instance, I studied about his career growth in my book. I inspired really. Also, right now, I admire from him his technical talent. Also, everything.
Hmm.
In the future, I really like inspire from his. Also, I want to travel in his path to spum from small stage to become a big stage. Also, he always persistence about long term goals. Even me, I want to become a tech savvy from him. In future, I would like to join in this company. It helps me to gain more knowledge and practical experience too.
Good. Well tried. That's good, Kushal. You talked about past in detail, present in detail. You talked about future also, an example. Wonderful. Okay, now next topic, next cue card. Describe a person who has an unusual lifestyle. Yes. If we get this type of topic, what we can talk about it? Unusual lifestyle हो जिसका मतलब कि वे ऑफ लिविंग जो हो उस पर्सन का वो डिफरेंट हो एज कंपेयर टू द नॉर्मल पर्सन. जैसे उसका डेली रूटीन, उसकी जॉब, उसकी हैबिट्स, उसकी चॉइसेस कॉमन ना, यूनिक हो,
Tribal people.
डिफरेंट हो. यस.
Historical people who lived in
You
forest.
can talk about YouTuber, influencer. You can talk about people who live in forest or village away from the city. A person who only works in night. You can talk about it. A person
Monk.
who lives actually without many things, minimalist. You can talk about the person who travel the world, who works online. So in सबकी life क्या होती है? Unusual सी? Not same like us? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to try? Because you may get these type of questions in the exam. You have no idea. You can create your ideas. Yes.
Ma'am,
This,
I can say like this. I recently visited a historical place. At that time, people were living without advancement of technology. Also,
exactly. You can
they
talk about any person here. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको कोई अलग से person जाके ढूंढना है. You just have to talk. Minimalist person, कोई early riser है, कोई fitness freak है, कोई
okay,
detox lifestyle पे रहता है. You can talk about any.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. आप हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस गए, वहां पर आपको कोई पर्सन मिला, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट.
Okay.
यस.
Yes, ma'am. Can I try this?
यस ज्योति, प्लीज.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. In the past, I visited a hill station at Kasol. In Kasol, I saw one person who was very poor, and he sold some stuff like मैम खाने वाली चीजें लाइक उनको क्या बोलेंगे द सॉरी
यस यस प्लीज स्पीक. खाने वाली क्या?
लाइक जो लोग कुछ खाने के लिए बेचते हैं वो क्या बोलेंगे लाइक से
फूड आइटम.
Vendors.
food item. Yes, sorry, हाँ, food item. Thank you. Yes, he sold a food item. So we all purchased from his food items, and I saw he was very weak and low. He can't speak also properly, and he was very um, he's very afraid because nobody was brought his food items. So we all were very
Jyoti, take your time, plan your answer, then speak. Okay, you're taking long pauses. Yes, anybody else who wants to speak for this? A person who has an unusual lifestyle. Yes, Vishali.
Okay. So in the past, I visited ISA Foundation, that is a kind of a architectural building that built by the Sadhguru. Over there, I realized the Sadhguru followed a different kind of lifestyle in their places. His idea was very different from what I learned what I learned from current. And in the present, I find its lifestyle is very unique and disciplined. He focus a lot of yoga, meditation, and spreading a awareness about well-being towards to the lifestyle, how people need to be spent in the present time. He gives a more importance to the mental peace and spiritual growth. His routine was quite different from uh, what we are doing, what we are accepting in the modern world. He travels from a different kind of a persona, where he try to promote, uh, uh, encourage the earthy uh, elements that actually inspire the world most. In for instance, there is a one very famous campaign he went through. His he run by himself, like uh, um, soil and sustainability, where he do a very mile run away from one end to another end, and he put a lot of tree on this campaign. In the future, I would like to adopt a similar kind of a lifestyle, where I can promote the sustainable lifestyle for myself. And I think I would help I think it would help me to manage my stress and improve my lifestyle much more better way.
वेल ट्राइड विशाली, लेकिन पॉजेस बहुत ज्यादा आ रहे हैं डियर, एंड सेल्फ करेक्शन भी है. आई को करके इट कर देते हो. प्लीज वर्क ऑन दिस. यू आर एबल टू स्पीक एट लेंथ, दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट, गुड. बट पॉजेस नहीं आने चाहिए जब आप बोलो, इतने ज्यादा नहीं आने चाहिए. ओके,
Okay, bye.
that was well spoken that you talk about Sadhguru, which was from which foundation?
Isha Foundation.
Isha Foundation, yes. So you can talk about past, that he was a well-known spiritual leader, he is, right? And he was actually into nature and spirituality also. He always like follow the traditional path. He has a different journey from other people. So you can talk about presently wo kya hai. He has the unusual lifestyle because he focused more on the meditation, yoga, and spreading the awareness, right? He travels around the world, he gives speeches, and he teach people how to live a balanced life. Then example, that he often spend longer hours in meditation. He promotes simple living, right? He's a spiritual leader. So he has a combination of both spirituality and a modern lifestyle. A future में आपको भी क्या करना है? You also want to have the same thing, the same aspects of his lifestyle. You also want to stay calm, practice meditation, focus on the mental peace. So I would like to bring more balance into my life. Future perspective. Great. Anybody else who can talk about unusual lifestyle? A person who has an unusual lifestyle?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Vadish.
Hello, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Vadish, please speak.
Yes. I want to share my experience with a person who has an unusual lifestyle, that when my mother was my mother was ill. She was admitted in the hospital. Then I came to know about the person. He is a staff working in a hospital, and he was handicapped by his leg. Uh, but when I when saw him that she that he is doing his all the activities by such a energetic in such a dedicated manner, I was surprised because being a normal person, it become easy for everyone to do all the activities, but like a disabled person, he's doing all his activities, like he's managing his work and attending the patients, everything so perfectly that when I came to know about his history, how he get that disabled, then he told me that he met with an accident and unfortunately he lost his one of his foot in the accident. But again, he encouraged me to never discourage your anybody part, because you are full, you are fully complete, you have full body part, so you are the more efficiency. But he think he is not insufficient, he is not inefficient. He think he can do everything because he have that self respect, that self courageousness within himself. Then I came to know that there are many individuals in this world which maybe lack something, but uh, they have an inner spirit within himself. Um, After that, he I inquired him about his routine. He told me that he wake up in the early in the morning because due to his disability, he has to work hard. uh, he is he have to given more time to the work. He can't drive, he can't walk for a long distance. There are many challenges he is facing in his daily life, but still he is doing his work very well. So I think he is a person which I go through in that time, that you can do anything which you want. Nothing is impossible. In spite of this unusual activity, unusual lifestyle he has, still he is doing his best. Thank you.
Okay. No worries. There was some grammatical errors, Vedish. More efficiency, nahi, more he was more efficient.
Okay.
Yeah, so I observed that there are some grammatical error. Please work on that. Well tried. So you talk about a person whom you met in a hospital when your mother was admitted there. He or
Yes.
she was a staff member who had a physical disability, due to which his daily tasks were more challenging than usual tasks, right? So you
Yes.
noticed him while he was helping the patients, and you were really surprised by his dedication. You can talk about, despite his physical limitations, he was working in a busy hospital environment, right? He managed his duties efficiently, he stayed positive, and treated the patients with kindness and respect. His routine, they required an extra effort, but he never seemed to complain about it, right? He was actually assisting your mother, so he made sure that she was comfortable and attended all her patients patiently. तो उसका attitude क्या था? It was extremely professional, caring, which impressed you a lot. In the future, you also want to develop, like we also want to develop a mindset like this. Strong rahe, positive rahe, right? He also taught you that challenges should not stop us from living a meaningful life. So we should be like more pathetic, more respectful towards the people who face such difficulties. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Uh, Now I'm giving you two topics. Wait, Meenakshi, we will not talk about the same topic now. I want you all to prepare for this for tomorrow. Describe a person who speaks very confidently. Describe a person who is always busy. These two topics. You have to generate your ideas. Tomorrow I'm gonna ask you. Okay?
Can I tell?
Now let's discuss about a place-based cue card. Describe a place that surprised you. Yes. कोई ऐसा place that surprised you. Yes. Who can speak? Past के बारे में, present, story, example and future. Place.
May
Sehdev?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please speak. Place.
Place, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. In my life, I have visited many places, but I would like to talk about a main place when I have visited and I have surprised.
Hmm.
It is located on a Delhi museum, Delhi, and I am visited a museum and I have very surprised after the visit because in this museum many historical structures and many
Mm-hmm.
many traditional cultures and it is learn about I'm learn about many things about this museum and it I am visiting in the museum with my friend and my friend is take a art stream in a 12th standard. So it is a very knowledge about the history. And then I am visited in the museum. My friends are to tell about the one thing and anything because he is very good knowledge about the history. So when but I am very surprised because in this museum where a skeleton of the dinosaurs and many animals and I saw the skeleton. I will very surprised because skeleton is very big size. So I am first time visited in the Delhi museum and I have very surprised.
Your story was revolving around I am visited at, after the visit, I am visited, it was with my friend, it is a very knowledgeable, I have visited. I guess you have repeated 7 to 8 times, I have visited, I am visited. Your ideas were not expanded. देखा क्या पास्ट के बारे में क्या बताया? A place that really surprised you was the National Museum in Delhi, which you visited along with your friends. खत्म. एक बार जब फ्रेंड के बारे में बोल दिया, आपने विजिट करा, we know आपने विजिट करा, you need not to repeat it again. So when you entered that museum, you were completely amazed because the museum had a variety of exhibits, which actually surprised you with a huge animal skeleton displayed in one of the halls. It looked very massive. Big matlab, massive and detailed. You have never seen something like this or like that in a real life before. You clearly remember that you were standing in front of that skeleton and you were observing its structure. It was fascinating to see how each bone was arranged so perfectly. And there are guides also. Talk about guides. That our guide explain how old it was and how was it preserved. क्योंकि उनको रखा जाता है ना वहाँ पे. Which made your experience even more interesting. That moment completely changed your opinion about museums. In the future also, you would like to definitely visit the museum again and explore such exhibits. You will also recommend this place to others because it is more educational, exciting. Okay? So please expand your ideas. You cannot revolve around the same thing. Hardeep, yes, please.
Well, can I try on?
Yes, please, go ahead.
Okay. Well, I am an extrovert person and I always trying to go on the different places with my friend, especially on weekends. But today I am talking about one such place that was really surprised me, and the city name is Prince Rupert. He is a small city in northern British Columbia. I was visited this place last year when I moved to Canada. Apart from it, I did not expect much because I had mostly hear about big cities like Vancouver and Toronto. When I arrived here, so I was completely surprised by his beauty of nature, and the atmosphere is very peaceful. And I amazed the most that the combination of mountains and oceans and forest also, and the view of his harbor are very stunning. And on the during the sunset time, the air is very fresh, and the whole experience was very refreshing for me. And the another thing that was surprising for me, uh, the city was quiet and less crowded, uh, 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 as compared to busy urban areas. And I also found the local community was very friendly over there, and people are uh, welcoming and always ready to help to each other. And he made me feel comfortable when I was there. So that was the city, so I surprised from there.
You're talking about Rocket City.
Ma'am, Prince Rupert, that was in BC in Canada.
Okay, so you came to know
Yeah,
about it. You saw the pictures online. So it was some rocky or a hilly area, जो भी वो area था. I was
yeah,
amazed
ma'am.
to see the artistic way you had the historical and the cultural thing. Pauses बहुत आ रहे हैं. It's like you're taking a long pause and you're speaking. Please उस पे
Yeah,
work करो, fluency maintain करो. Pauses इतने नहीं होने चाहिए.
yeah.
Okay, next topic. Shah, describe a
Well,
place where you learn something new.
so, well,
Hmm.
so back in 2020, I visited a town called Barmer, which is on the line of control in Rajasthan. This place is very deserted land.
Your voice is
Where,
coming very low. Is it possible that you can speak a little loud so that I'm able to understand?
Ma'am, it is clear now.
Yes, it is clear, but try to speak a little loud.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not well into that.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Try.
So back in 2020, I visited a place in Barmer called Dhanau. It is a city located in Rajasthan on the line of control. Its landscape is a very deserted land in nature, and the source of energy like electricity and other minerals are non-existing there. So people living on there usually rely on the traditional source of energy like lighting a lamp and other ways. So I learned that still there are some place in India where people like paying for 5 rupees, 10 rupees to charge the phone by walking 5 kilometers down the lane, as the whole city, whole town is populated very sparsely, and there is no as such medium of transportation and commutation in that area. I also learned a very unique thing about the community, which was Valmiki community in that area. There was usually a culture if a person dies there, then they have to give a party like a feast in honor to honor them. So that community took a initiation, and what they did was they gathered together and called we want to do this again, as this culture is persisting and we're getting into the loans and other things, as not everybody has the means to host a feast. Positively, that city is That place is thriving as I was in the project flow, which was solar light that in that area by providing the solar light, the home cable, which almost 500 houses were installed in it. And for example, that I also learned that their food was very different. And once a person I met who told me that usually this area people eat a lot chilies in the food. So I inquired about why is it so. He said that usually in these areas the variety of foods is very limited when the agriculture is non-existent. So they usually buy or export from the different area. And what you do is that if you put chilies in your food, it makes more spicy, more edible, and along with that, you drink so much water. So that thing kind of inspired me, like how communities survive on their very minimum resource availability, yet they are working towards the progressive nature.
Well tried, Shah, but somewhere in between I was not able to because it seems like mumbling. No problem. But I can see that fluency is good, that you're able to speak. There are no pauses in between. You are able to expand your ideas. So when it comes to describe a place, you learn something new. You talk about a place, Dhanau, which was in Rajasthan, right? You can
Yes,
talk about that I visited during a family trip a few years ago or last month back. Before going there, you did not had any idea about it, that how rural life in desert will be, right? So when you reach there, you were actually surprised to see how people they're living a simple life. You come to know about how they manage their daily activities with only a limited resources, especially they need to go here and there for water. Women's or the people in the village, they would walk a long distance to fetch the water, and they are managing their household works very efficiently. You saw the traditional handicraft work. People required a lot of patience and skill. So this experience, they taught you the value of hard work, resource management. In the future, you would like to visit such places again to learn more about the different lifestyle, and you also want to apply those kind of simple living in your own life. Okay, so जब भी हम कुछ learn करते हैं, we have to talk about it in the future, that what we learned about it. Next topic, describe a place you visit only occasionally. Yes, Mauricio.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to talk about a place you visit only occasionally.
Okay. Back in 2010, I was visiting Madrid, Spain, in order to take a vacation with my family. In those days, I was visiting some museums, public gardens, and the famous stadium
Your speech is not
named.
clear, Mauricio. I'm not able to understand some of the words. Is it possible
Okay,
for
okay,
you to
ma'am.
write?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Okay, next one, who can speak about this? A place you visit occasionally. Yes, Meenakshi?
Yes.
Hmm.
One place I visit occasionally is a hill station nearby my hometown. I went there a few years ago with my family members during one of the vacation, short vacation. So now nowadays I don't visit that place because of my uh, because of my um, because of my there is no time for me to go there. However, when I think about, I feel relaxed and excited. Uh, the place is known for breathtaking scenery and peaceful atmosphere. Every time I visit and I enjoy the fresh air and natural beauty. So it is a perfect escape from hectic routine. So I usually spend time uh, relaxing with my family there. It keeps me calm and refresh my mind. In the future also, I would like to go that type of places, especially during my uh, holidays. That's it.
You did not mention the name of the hill station, is it? What was the name of
Yes,
hill
one of the hill station in my hometown.
Okay. But you did not mention the name na, because I was actually looking, so I thought that I missed out the name. आपने name बोला ही नहीं, right?
Okay.
Okay, no problem. It's really okay if you don't want to name the hill station. That is perfectly fine. Okay, that's good. But आपने because of my के बाद बहुत लंबा एक pause लिया. Then because of my बोल के there is no time. Right?
Okay.
So I usually go there during vacations with my family, maybe once a year or even less, because it requires a proper planning, right? Whenever I visit this place, I feel completely relaxed, refreshed. The breathtaking scenery, fresh air, peaceful environment are very different from my daily routine because that hill station is actually surrounded by mountains, greenery. It gives me a break from my busy city life. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Next one. Describe a place with lots of noise. Who wants to speak? Somebody was raising hand when Meenakshi was speaking. Kajal. Yes, Kajal, can you speak now?
Well, I visited so many places where there was noise, but now I
Kajal,
talk
voice is
about
not clear. Please first speak properly.
well, I visited so many places where
It's echoing.
noise is there.
No, not
Now,
clear. माइक को थोड़ा दूर करके आराम से बोलो.
well, I visited so many places where the noise is loud.
Only I am
And
facing this problem or everyone is not able to understand? Please let me know.
Yes, no, it's
No,
disturbing.
ma'am,
It is
it's
not
not able.
disrupting.
काजल, it's not clear. देखो अगर clear नहीं बोलोगे ना, I'm not able to understand. आप बोलते जाओगे, मैं evaluate ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी कुछ भी. So that's very difficult.
okay.
हाँ, speech understandable और clear होनी चाहिए. Only then I can see what you're speaking. Otherwise, it's difficult.
Well, I visited so many places
No,
where
again, it's
there
same
was
Kajal.
noise, and I remember uh, I, vis- I visited in a market near my village. It's one of the biggest spare parts market in the city. I went there last month because my scooty was damaged and I needed to get.
No, I'm not able to understand. Yes, anybody else who can speak? Describe a place with lots of noise. Who wants
Am
to
I
try?
try?
Who said I want to try?
Suketu ma'am.
Yes, Suketu, you did not got a chance now. Please speak.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I recently go in one industrial place. It's that a lots of sound and the e- sound hearing are also hurts me. That is why this place is not for a good for man and like animals. And there is also more pollution and people are still working this type of a place. That is why I sometimes scared how the year was the effect for him and the animals are also effect for environmentally in those type of a place. This place is not good for both, but people are still working for like a money regarding. That is why this place is not good for both.
That's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
You need to expand your ideas. This is not 2 minutes, Suketu.
Yeah, ma'am.
So when it comes to talk about describe a place with lots of noise, you talked about an industrial area. ठीक है? Now suppose if I talk about in Delhi, there are lots of industrial area. One is situated in Delhi, which is Okhla industrial area. So I can talk about past that I visited this place few months ago with the relatives who works there with a friend of mine. It was first time when I was visiting such a busy industrial zone. As I entered the place, I was surprised by the constant loud noise coming from the machines, the vehicles, the workers. The sound of heavy machine, drilling, loading activities, they made the environment extremely noisy. It was completely different from the peaceful places I usually visit. आप उसे explain तो करो ना, आपने देखा क्या? Describe तो करो place को with a lot of noise. आप ये बता रहे हो कि noise से animals को harm होता है, human being को होता है, but उस place को आपको describe तो करना है ना? I clearly remember that visiting a factory where machines were running continuously. So this noise was so loud that workers had to speak very loudly. They have to use some hand signals to communicate. है ना, जब हमें कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा होता तो हम अपने हाथों से signals करते हैं. और सीन क्या था वहां पे? The people were wearing even eye protection because the environment was so intense. आपको explain तो करना है उस place को. Yes, please. Anyone who can speak about it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ikra.
Can I try, ma'am?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. In the past, I remember that when I was younger, I visited the Kot Radhakishan station area for the first time. I remember it was very crowded. There were many people and many trains. The noise was very high, and I was shocked to see so much rush in one place. Nowadays, I still go there sometimes, and it is very noisy. There is noise from the train horns and the rickshaws and the big markets. People are always talking loudly and moving around. It is very busy place, and it never stay quiet for even a minute. For instance, I went there a few days ago. The noise was very loud because a big train was passing by. At the same time, shopkeepers were calling customers, and cars were honking. Ma'am, उसके
Go ahead. Yes.
their horns. It was so noisy that I had to cover my ears, but the place felt very active. In the future, I think this place will get more crowded. More people will come here for shopping and travel. I hope the government makes better roads to reduce the traffic noise. Even though it is a noisy place, it is an important part of my city.
Last me you mentioned about government should do what? Roads?
Make better roads to reduce the traffic noise.
बट आप ट्रेन स्टेशन के बारे में बता रहे हो तो आप रोड्स के लिए क्यों बेटरमेंट बताओगे?
ओके मैम, इसमें फिर
है ना, आपने स्टेशन का
जी
बताया है,
जी मैम जी.
तो हाउ कैन यू टॉक अबाउट कि गवर्नमेंट शुड मेक बेटर रोड्स? अभी आप स्टेशन को
मैम
एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो.
एक्चुअली
इधर यू कैन टॉक अबाउट बोथ कि हाँ आप रोड्स पे नॉइस की भी बात करो, आप सारी
ओके
जगह का ट्रैफिक कंजेशन बताओ.
ठीक
ठीक है?
ओके
So
ओके
a
मैम.
place with a lot of noises, you talk about a railway station. You visited there when you were going on a trip with your family. कोई भी रीजन दे सकते हो, जब आप गए हो स्टेशन पे पास में आप कुछ भी बता सकते हो. सो यू
Okay, ma'am.
रिमेम्बर दैट हाउ नॉइसी, हाउ क्राउडेड इट वाज, बिकॉज वहां पे क्या चलती रहती है, देयर वर कांस्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स on the
Yes, ma'am.
loudspeaker, people talking, they are talking even loudly, vendors shout करते रहते हैं, sounds of train, they are arriving, they are departing, so it felt very chaotic and busy, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay, ma'am.
you really remember that you're standing on the platform while waiting for your train, suddenly a train arrived with a loud horn, and same
Okay.
time people started rushing, calling out each other, managing their luggage, so noise level or increase ho jata hai, right?
Okay,
That
ma'am.
it is
Okay,
very
ma'am.
difficult to even hear properly. So in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
future I would avoid such crowded and noisy place unless it is very necessary for me. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Please
ma'am.
plan your answer, and these two topics you need to develop your ideas. A person who speaks very confidently, a person who is always busy. यहाँ पे आप कोई भी आंसर दे सकते हो जिसको आपको लगता है कि या माय फ्रेंड, माय मदर, माय ब्रदर, माय सिस्टर, कोई भी एनी ब्लॉगर जिसको आपको लगता है दैट पर्सन कैन स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली. बिजिएस्ट पर्सन, आप खुद अगर एक बिजिएस्ट पर्सन हो आप अपने लिए भी बोल सकते हो. अगर आप एक खुद एक कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन हो, यू कैन टॉक अबाउट योरसेल्फ. It's not that every time you have to talk about somebody else. You can say that I am the only person who speaks very confidently. Clear? But remember one thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Fluency means no long pauses. राइट? आप लोगों की मिस्टेक क्या होती है कि आप लॉन्ग लॉन्ग पॉजेस लेना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. बट आई हैव सीन इम्प्रूवमेंट इन मेनी स्टूडेंट्स that now they are able to expand the ideas. That's good. Vishali, very well tried. Self correction हुआ था, but you are trying. That's the best thing. Earlier you were not able to speak for 2 minutes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's good. Same words को repeat नहीं करना. रिमेंबर दिस, सेम वर्ड्स को हम रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. और ये सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक है जब आप अपने फ्यूचर आइडिया को ऐड नहीं करते. एज आई टोल्ड यू, प्लीज ऐड द फ्यूचर आइडिया. चाहे 1 लाइन स्टेटमेंट बोलो, 2 लाइन स्टेटमेंट बोलो, बट टॉक अबाउट इट. ये आपके अपने हाथ में है कि आपको अपना टाइम कैसे डिवोट करना है. आपको 30 के 40 सेकेंड्स पास के बारे में ज्यादा बोलना है, आप ज्यादा बोल दो, बट टॉक अबाउट ऑल द 4. क्लियर? Always follow this structure. Keep speaking. चाहे basic English use करो, अगर आपको लगता है you are not able to upgrade your vocab, basic करो, but story add करो, add your own feelings. अगर आपने वहां visit करा है, you must have that experience, or otherwise generate your ideas, expand your ideas. Ideas underdeveloped बिल्कुल भी नहीं होने चाहिए, right? So I want an honest feedback from you all. Did you find today's session helpful?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2
Yes,
minutes
ma'am.
का जो
Very helpful.
फ्लुएंसी
Yes,
गोल है
ma'am.
हमारा, क्या वो अचीव हो रहा है? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
great.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
PPF method helpful लग रहा है?
Yes, ma'am. It is really
ma'am.
helpful.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Yes.
ma'am.
So please, your target should be that you can speak clearly, you can speak fluently, right? That you all should be ready for band 7+ in speaking. कोई डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to practice in the right way. जितने भी एप्लीकेशन में क्यू कार्ड प्रैक्टिसेस दिए हैं उन्हें प्रैक्टिस करो. स्टार्ट यूजिंग द एप्लीकेशन. ये नहीं कि सेशन के बाद यू नीड नॉट टू डू एनीथिंग. अगर आप रोज 3 से 4 क्यू कार्ड भी करते हो, दैट्स गुड इनफ. सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए ही आपको बोलना है. वाई आर यू गेटिंग द स्ट्रेस मोहम्मद? स्ट्रेस तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए प्लीज इस टाइम पे. नो, you have an exam on 7th of May. Please keep on practicing. Yes, अगर किसी का भी एग्जाम नियर बाय है, please try the baby code visa services. Just drop your query over there. You will have a better understanding. Different options मिलेंगे आपको कैसे वीजा पूरा प्रोसेसिंग, each and every detail from point 1 to point 10 सब वहां पे क्लियर होगा. Okay? Unfortunately, it's not for only the students who are residing in Pakistan, but all the Indian students who are here, you will be provided with the services. Okay? New students, please do not forget to click on the remind me button. All students को तो पता है कि जितनी क्लासेस हैं वो सारी एप्लीकेशन में ऑलरेडी स्केड्यूल होती हैं. आपको रिमाइंड मी पे क्लिक करना है सो दैट आपकी कोई भी क्लास मिस ना हो और आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए 9 o'clock जब आपकी क्लास स्टार्ट होने वाली हो. ओके सो आपके अगर कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनको क्लासेस ज्वाइन करनी है, यू कैन इवन शेयर द एप्लीकेशन विद देम. They can also have the benefit of these classes. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a
Yes.
question.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, basically, I got 6 around in writing, but in reading, listening, and speaking is well like 7.58. I got it. But in writing, I got 6 like that only. Bus.
Mohammed, if you did the writing on AI, right? Application में submit करा है आपने?
Ma'am, basically वो purchase नहीं हो रहा.
Why?
I couldn't able to purchase.
आपने AI के थ्रू करा है ना? अभी तो चेक. एक बार writing test
शॉप
by
पे
the
purchase
examiner करो.
जी.
आपने
मैम बेसिकली वो परचेज नहीं हो रहा
writing
शॉप
test
से,
by the
पता नहीं क्यों.
examiner कह रहे हो? वो नहीं हो रहा.
जी वो भी नहीं हो रहा, स्पीकिंग भी नहीं हो रहा, दोनों मैंने ट्राई किए.
Just drop your number here. I'll talk with the team कि आपसे क्यों ऐसा नहीं हो रहा. ठीक है? Personally, maybe they will sort it out. ठीक है? और writing अपनी वहां पर submit करो. इसमें कुछ कोड्स वगैरह तो नहीं लगने. This number is correct ना?
यस मैम.
Okay, I'll share it with the team कि आपका ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा. Before 7th of May, try to have the speaking test, try with the examiner and try to have the writing test. ठीक है? दोनों चीजें करो. आज ही I'll talk to the team कि ये sort हो आपके लिए so that you can have your band scores. Okay? तब तक के लिए एक writing अपनी पूरी लिख के रखो. Task 1, Task 2 both.
ओके.
I'll try to check it personally, Task 1 and Task 2. If I'll be getting, I will check it. Okay?
ओके थैंक यू.
Anybody else? Any doubt? Any query? Yes, please. No? Okay, then see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye bye.
थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.